other day after lunch, we were all craving freshly baked cookies. Fortunately for us, that's a perk of working in the test kitchen. At most jobs, you can't just stop what you're doing and whip up a batch of cookies at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. But we can, and we did. And the results were so good that we couldn't wait to share the recipe with you. So here we go. The first thing we do is combine some flour, baking soda, and cinnamon. Then in a large bowl, we beat together some butter along with both white and brown sugar until it's creamy. To that, we add some eggs and a splash of vanilla. Now we slowly add the flour mixture until everything comes together. Next, we stir in some quick cooking oats, dried cranberries, and a handful of walnuts. After dropping the dough by spoonfuls onto a couple of baking sheets, these cookies are ready for the oven. You'll know they're done when they puff up and are golden. And with the scent of cinnamon wafting through the house, it's practically impossible to let these cool before tasting one. To get the recipe that all of us here in the test kitchen just love, visit our website and type in oatmeal cranberry cookies. I'm Howard with Kelly.
Test kitchen favorite.
Where today we found a freshly baked way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.